of my wife. I just buried her yesterday. The government, I guess they trying to cut back on the corona. So they put a ban on burial between the 8th and the 22nd, which my wife was supposed to be buried on the 13th originally. So I basically had to push it up till so I basically had to get it done on March 6th. That was a Saturday. But anyway, I'm glad she was put to rest. I was able to bury her. I wouldn't have to have any more problem, you know, as far as this thing what the government is trying to implement. I don't know what it's for, but I hope it works for them, but I don't see the sense in it. But I'm glad I was able to bury her, you know, before that came in. So today I'm heading to Mandeville. Going to do some work to my house tomorrow, so I want to get there so I can get to the hardware in time to buy some material in the morning. I don't know how much I'll be able to get done, but I'm gonna see. I have one room that I've been working on for so long. I don't know why it's not done yet. For some unknown reason, cannot finish. I can't finish it. I don't know why. It's not because of me. I had some change. I had a little cash to work on it. So I had money to work on it. I don't know. But it's hard to get the guys to come. Either they're busy. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I need to find some new guys. I don't know. But anyway, my mason promised me he'll be there tomorrow, Monday, which should be May 8th or something like that. Anyway, my mason promised me he's going to be there tomorrow, Monday, May 8th. Hopefully he comes, but if he don't, I'm going to have to find someone to get it done because it has to be done. I want it done. It's been going on way too long. This place should have been done about at least a year ago. It should have been done. Let's see what happened this week. So, a little inside of my life right now, what I'm up to. Trying to sell my house in Florida. Well, I'm not trying. I am going to sell my house in Florida. I'm going to stay with my family for a little bit, maybe 6 months. Work up some money, try to finish up my house. My original plan, remember guys, my original plan was October of this year. My son turned 18. So I'm trying to see if I get it done for October. Now that my wife passed, I don't really have much that's holding me in Florida. My kids are grown, and my daughter just turned 22 in February. So my son will be 18 in October. I don't have much holding me there no more, so trying to see if I can finish up my house by that time. And just get a change, you know. I'm ready for a change. Live a simpler life, you know, hopefully. I have a lot of plans. As far as living in Jamaica, as far as like going back and forth, stuff like that. Probably going up like once a year around October. Work for a few months till December and come back down in January after I file my taxes. Come back down in January and file my tax, so I'll get that money back, you know. We're gonna see how that works out. Tree Hill, one of Jamaica's most dangerous road.